Hello, welcome back to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today, we're taking a look at another Dell XPS. This one is the 13 model 9365. Not too difficult to take apart, though there are a lot of different screws involved. So today, we're going to show you how. Now let's get into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we'll want to remove the back cover. On this model specifically, we have 8 of these screws around the edge. So you're going to use a TR5 bit to get them out. There we go. And there's one more screw in this thing that is behind this little panel. I use a PH00 to get that out. Now we should be able to get the back off. Just use a little knife to get in between the case and the back cover. You can see on this model the battery makes up a good 60%. So we'll go ahead and get that battery out first. Start by disconnecting it. And we have, I believe, 2, 4, 6 of these screws around the outside. And then we've got these 2 up top. They actually have the sizes labeled next to them, so it's really easy to keep them straight. We'll start with these 2 smaller ones. All right. This whole thing should just lift right away. Next up, we've got the SSD that's right under this little copper heatsink right here. Just take off these 2 screws holding the heatsink in place. Be careful because generally the heatsink is taped to this display connector here. You can cut the tape. I'm just going to lift that away for now. And then we'll pull that drive out. Now we can actually start by taking the display off while we're here. We'll start with the right side. You have this Wi-Fi connector and its shield. It's held on by this one screw. And the connectors themselves we can get off. Make sure you pull away, preferably as straight up from the connector as you can. Really easy to bend these things, so you don't want to put them in a bind if you can help it. And then we've got a small connector right to the right of them. Just pull that straight away. Now, in the center, we have another display connector held on by a little shield. Just 2 screws holding that in place. And this guy has a little pull tab here, so you can use that to pull it right off the board. Lastly, we have a little connector labeled TS over here, probably for the touchscreen. Again, we can just pull that straight out. Now we have 6 screws. They're a little bit larger for the PH00, so I'll swap back to just the PH0 for those. And with that, you should be able to lift the case up just a bit and pull it away. That is the whole lid assembly. Now, the board is held on by a couple screws and some ribbon cables. So let's tackle these ribbon cables first. I believe there are 6 of them in total, starting over here on the left. Just lift up those latches, pull out the cables, and put the latches back down. You don't have to put the latches back down, but I find it is a bit safer to keep the port from being damaged. And then there's one speaker connector here on the right side. Held down by a little bit of tape, you can just pull that right up, and the connector comes right out. Now there is one tiny silver screw right here. And then there are 7 of these fatter screws. And with that, the board should just lift right up and away. And there's that small motherboard in all its glory. There's still a few more things on this case you could do if you wanted to. For instance, the speaker on either side are held down by 2 screws each. And I believe the touchpad connector is also removable if you remove those couple screws, but we won't be doing that today. And that's how you tear down the XPS-13 9365. Thank you for watching.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.